Look, Ma, no hands. You ever been to one of these shows before? Oh, I've been to quite a few of them. It's always been my dream to drive one of these trucks. And shit, go drive me one. There ain't no keys in them, all it is a push button. Nah, don't be doing that now. We'll all go to jail. Hey, you got a light? David. Where the hell did you go? David! It's not too bad for my shit.
Yo, PewDiePie! Somebody starting up your truck, man.
Alright, buddy. Hands behind your back.
Now, hold on a second. He's with me.
Alright, if you say so. But I'll be keeping my eye on you.
That was badass, but you could have got yourself killed, dude. Or fucked up my truck. Shit. What's your name, man? David Morgan.
Well, that name ain't badass, but your driving's badass. Let's see here, what do we call you? Suicide Dave? Nah. Crash Dummy Dave? I like that one. Crash Dummy Dave. Welcome to the team. You do realize you just broke 3 world records. You got longest hang time, highest jump, and distance. Man, we're gonna have to get you a truck. Well, I guess I should thank you because that record goes with the truck, which I own, so looks like I'll be getting me a couple million on some sponsors thanks to you. That ought to pay for your truck. Well, chop chop, let's go. We've got a lot of work to do. Crash Dummy Dave.